Casey, it is
What's
good.
the next one?
You want to open up this one?
Yeah.
Who's that one to?
This one is for both Cammy and Casey from Grandma and Grandpa.
Maybe there's more things here. Maybe there's more stuff in here.
Yeah, there's more stuff in there. Here.
Maybe there's more stuff in here.
Oh, gotta be gentle. What is this?
Book.
No, not a book.
Maybe there's no stuff in there.
Okay, hold on.
Tell me money.
Cammy doesn't get to eat it.
No.
Cammy doesn't get to eat it.
No.
Cammy, you don't get to eat it.
Need some help?
Go, Daddy.
Hey, come here, Casey. What is this? Look. Look, Casey.
Ooh.
Okay, Mama needs that part. Look in my hand.
Butterfly.
Big butterfly, and I think it lights up. That's cool, huh?
Yeah, let me get that.
I need to hold it, Pete.
Not right now. We're gonna figure it out first. Cammy wants to play with that box. Here, Dad, this goes with it. Dad. Okay. Let me make sure there's nothing more in that box. Okay, Cammy can play with the box. Casey can do another present. Oh, there's more to it, Jason.
Okay.
Let's see what this says. To Mama from Robin. Would you like to open it for me?
Yeah.
Ooh, what is it?
Pink coal.
Ooh, it is pretty. It's a shawl. Wrap. Is that pretty? I like it.
You want to wear it on?
I think I should. What do you think?
I'm gonna wear a hat on too.
Okay. Pick another present.
Okay. Let's do this present. This
Wait,
present
let's-
is big.
Oh, it is a big one. Let's see what it says on it. It says, to Casey and Cammy from Uncle Tom and Aunt Robin. Go ahead and open it.
Okay.
Whoa, what is that?
I know.
A pillow. I think it's a blanket. Who's on the blanket?
Take it and kicker.
All right.
Pooh and kicker.
All right. That's a nice one, huh?
And she Pooh and kicker.
You want to open it?
Yeah. And she Pooh and kicker. Okay. Pooh in.
Oh,
I think Pooh in.
oh.
Look.
Holy moly, that's big, huh?
I know who did.
Okay. Whoa, huh, Cammy?
Whoa, hi, Cammy.
Is that for the bed or?
That a big picnic.
It is a big blanket.
Who's on it?
Big Pooh and kicker.
All right. Can you say thank you?
Kicker.
That's your Uncle Tom and Aunt Robin, right? Oh, wow. Thank you.
Okay,